Hi again. Time for video 3 of It's All Your Backyard. Today we're talking about the board of directors. You. That's right. You are a member of the board of directors of the United States of America. Now, unfortunately, there's no chairman on this board. I think that's somewhat unfortunate because chairman's help bring the board together. But it's kind of a logistical nightmare to try and create a chairman for this board. Anyway, getting back to it, the board of directors was created by the founders of our nation. So it's you, the people. Your job is to vote to elect capable, honest, and worthy leaders to run our country. These people serve as the president, obviously the president, vice president, but basically all these Congress people and senators, they are vice presidents, directors of the corporation, and they make a big difference. Now, it's generally not the board's job to hire the vice presidents and directors, but in this case it's a good thing because nobody trusts anybody, and you shouldn't trust them either. So the next step of this is, well, first let's go back to that. We're supposed to hire the good people, hire the best people, and I'm not sure that we're really doing a good job of that. We're following commercials and things and all the lies. It's pretty tough, and it's hard to get over it in a media age like we have, where you're not getting that one-to-one connection, which I'll get to. So, in fact, let's do that. The next step is the one-to-one connection. Our founders knew when they created this country that our Congress people had a one-to-one connection with their constituents. It was small. Life was small. Cities were small. Basically, almost everybody knew their congressman, and they could tell him in person what they thought should be happening. And if that congressman went to Washington, D.C. and voted differently than what the people wanted, every single one of those people would have been in his face when he got home. This doesn't happen this way today. We're barely watching what's going on, and we're not even talking to our congresspeople. The ones who do talk are the ones who are causing the trouble. So the congresspeople think that they're right because they're acting upon the wrong information, not the information of the people who truly have an opinion that aren't stating it. We need to get up and state this opinion. But it's more complex than that even, because community is not as easy as it was back in the time of our founding. We need to put a bigger effort into community so that our communities can work together and come up with ideas and present them as a group to our congresspeople, so that when the congressman comes back from Washington, D.C. having voted wrong, the community already knows before they arrive whether that congressperson acted within the community's wants and needs. Community is a big thing. I don't know if we're going to do it, create them through Facebook, through trumpet.chat, or some other means. But our communities need to get closer together. We need to talk to each other so that we know what we want and we can state it clearly to our congressmen, senators, and the president. This is a big project, and this is really only the beginning of the statement. But I hope you got the idea from this video. There's going to be some more talk later about the organization and making things happen. We need to act fast. But don't worry, together we can do this. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island,